Hi there, my name's Jason Wells and I want to talk to you about Psion Risk Advisor. I'm the founder of Psion Insights and this is our main product, and it's an enterprise risk management platform that uses deep technology to make sure that risk management becomes smarter. So I want to talk to you about these use cases, and these are things that people have presented to me as problems and said, well, Jason, how could we use it? How do you see this being put into place? So let's talk about frontline risk managers. So they see risk management as a blocker, they see it as complex, it's static, once a year exercise. Now, we use the common communication channel, so that could be Slack, it could be WhatsApp, it could be Skype Messenger, it could be anything that you have within your enterprise infrastructure, in your business technology, what you use. A lot of people are now using that technology. So what we said is we've got a natural language processing algorithm that understands risk management. We're building that out. Every conversation that we look at that relates to risk, we're able to tune that algorithm better to recognize the interconnections, recognize what's being said. Now, that means the connection of that to the common chat channels means that we can provide information, we can provide advice, we can understand what people are looking for far faster than we could previously. And also because it's on their desktop, it's on their mobile, it means that the front line engage with it faster. So that means that people don't see that complexity, and also they can get access to what they need straight away rather than having to send an email and wait for a result. Another use case, this is aimed at perhaps the expert risk managers, is they want to know what is going on within the organization, what's going on within the business. They've got a number of different tools, but some of those tools are very static. So when an issue is reported, it's then eventually they'll get alerted that something's going on. Hopefully they'll get an email. Hopefully they will also receive a phone call to tell them about what's happening. An expert risk manager will also have their informal networks, and they'll be going around talking to those people as well. And those things are very important. It's that deep engagement. Psion Risk Advisor just augments that engagement by providing that information and the analytics and the insight that comes from frontline engagement with our platform, so that they can see where those hotspots are, where that advice is needed most. And they can see which areas the front line is concerned about, and then the advice that's given is hitting the mark, so the frontline satisfaction is high. Another area is how do we kind of get data that's in that enterprise environment, it's in silos, and how do we bring that all together to the complete picture? So a lot of that data has to be manually processed and categorized. So Psion Risk Advisor, we've built a categorization engine and AI that automatically inspects that unstructured data and matches it to a risk taxonomy. It knows and it learns from the different values that would go into those drop downs. Now, if you were to ask 10 people to do the same exercise with the same input information, most probably some of them would pick a completely different risk type. They would pick different values for those structured fields. So that automation and straight through processing saves time, and it frees up people to focus on higher value activities. So those are just 3 use cases of how we can help frontline managers, how we can help risk experts identify the biggest pain points, and also how we can reduce processing time and also increase satisfaction. My name's Jason Wells, I'm the founder of Psion Insights, and that was 3 use cases for Psion Risk Advisor. If you'd like to know more, then please get in touch. My contact details are at the end of this video. Thank you.